Hey guys, so if you're maintaining your own equipment, there's especially in the summertime, there's something pretty important that you want to pay attention to. It's not just checking and changing the oil and sharpening the blades, but we really want to pay attention to the air filter. Especially in the summer when we have a lot of drier soil and the grass is a little bit drier, we tend to kick up more dust and debris, and then the air filter plugs it all up. And these need to be cleaned often, generally every time. If you're mowing your own yard once a week or so at your house, you want to clean these out after every time you mow, and just make sure there's not a lot of dust in here. Now these are going to be a little bit different for each mower. Obviously smaller mowers going to have a much smaller one. Bigger mowers, they get a little bit larger. The best thing you can do is lightly blow them out, or you can even just shake them off by banging them lightly and getting some of the dust out. And then normally, once a year you want to change these and make sure they stay clean. These are very important to keep clean. If you don't clean these out often and it gets plugged up with a lot of debris, it basically is like choking yourself, and the engine is starving for air, which is very bad for the engine, and we want to make sure that that does not happen. That's a real quick little easy way to maintain your engine. And if y'all have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.